Hello. Astronomy picture of the day, June 7, 2025. Today's video is about Perseverance selfie with Ingenuity. On the Mars rover's mission Sol 46 or Earth date April 6, 2021, Perseverance held out a robotic arm to take its first selfie on Mars. The Watson camera at the end of the arm was designed to take close-ups of Martian rocks and surface details though, and not a quick snapshot of friends and smiling faces. In the end, teamwork and weeks of planning on Mars time was required to program a complex series of exposures and camera motions to include Perseverance and its surroundings. The resulting 62 frames were composed into a detailed mosaic, one of the most complicated Mars rover selfies ever taken. In this version of the selfie, the rover's Mastcam-Z and SuperCam instruments are looking toward Watson and the end of the rover's outstretched arm. About 4 meters, 13 feet, from Perseverance is a robotic companion, the Mars Ingenuity helicopter. Perseverance has now spent over 1,500 sols exploring the surface of the red planet. On Earth date January 18, 2024, Ingenuity made its 72nd and final flight through the thin Martian atmosphere. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.